Rolling. And back. That's cool. Take it back to the middle, do the claw thing and then go down.